Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with Remyforte. I hope I'm saying the name right. But they were so nice enough to send me out one of their 360 lace frontal wigs. I will have all of the correct details for this wig down in the description box because I do not have that information in front of me. I want to say it's a 24-inch. And I'm not sure which density I have, but I will say that the wig does come in a 180% density or 210% density, and the lengths range from 14 inches to 28 inches. So with this wig, they have a special feature where they have clear like elastic pieces in it where you can pull the nape of the unit in the back as tight or as taut as you want and tie it. That way the nape fits nice and secure as if it was like a dome cap, but you still have lace in the back. So if you want to do more of a hairline concentrated install, it will look like more scalp in the back versus just ordinary wig. You can make baby hairs in the back if you want, all of that jazz. So in this video I do put it up for you so you can see it's not the best, y'all. I didn't concentrate on making it the best up style, but I did show you all those features in this video. So yes, I do like that feature because again, with these wigs, if you don't want to glue it down and glue it in place, all you have to do is pull the strings, tie it in the back, and then you're good to go. This unit also does come with an elastic band, so you can wear this wig glueless. For me, I wore it glueless, but of course y'all know I use my bed head hard head spray to adhere the lace to make it look more natural for my liking. But yeah, again, if you don't want to glue down the back but you want to wear it in an up style, you can just pull those clear straps and make it tight so it's nice and flush to your nape. The hairline did come pre-plucked, and this wig also did come with pre-bleached knots, so that was great. But yeah, I wanted to show you all on a dome head how the hairline looks in the front and in the back, and I wanted to put it up for you so you can see, you know, the full 360 of the wig. And I also wanted to show you all how I cut the lace from the front to the back. I cut the whole thing for you all so you can see that as well. But yeah, y'all, this unit was really pretty. Like I said, I love the curl pattern so much. Like, so full but also so light and airy. Again, I'm not for sure what density I have. If this is a 180% density, it's pretty freaking full. So if you don't like a lot of hair, but if you like big hair but don't like it too dense, then the 180% would be great for you. But yeah, it was pretty full. Whatever density I have, it was nice and full. So I'm going to have all of the correct details for you in the description box. But yeah, love the curl pattern. It was very minimum tangling and shedding. For it to be such a tight curl pattern, that was a plus, and I really did like that. And I like how the hairline was pre-plucked, so I didn't do any plucking to this hairline, y'all. Like, how it came is how it is. Like, I installed it how it came. So yeah, y'all, I don't have any cons. Well, the only con I would say is this wig is like, it fits to the T, of course, because with these type of units you want it to fit your circumference to the T. But if you need some wiggle room, like for me, I have a lower hairline, so I did not adjust the hairline. I didn't mimic it to look like my hairline. So if you want some extra wiggle room, I would size up in this wig. That's the only thing that I would suggest if you like that wiggle room. But if you have a smaller head and you know anytime you get a wig that you feel like is your correct size, it's always a little too big, then, you know, stick with what you know. But yeah, for me, if I had the choice, I would have sized up one size in this unit. But I still got the job done. It still worked out fine for me, but I would have preferred to have just a little bit more wiggle room. But other than that, I did enjoy this unit, y'all. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the clips. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. Again, all of the details for this company and the wig is in the description box. Tell them Alexa sent you. And yeah, I want to thank Remyforte for allowing me to try out this unit. I really do appreciate it. And I'm going to talk to each and every one of you later.
I get down from a grown, I get short for the round. I blow up with my rounds, I blow up out of town. I can rep to your town with the pills and the pounds. I grew up on the grounds with them pillars of hell. We order more bottles and fuck up more models and pass them around. Celebrate like the championship. Celebrate like the championship. Celebrate like the championship. Celebrate like the championship. I told you, I told you, I told you, I told you. Don't tell me you sell a bed to the moolah. I just went rip the ruler with the jeweler. I just went sell the paying like a moolah. I put down the nigga straight out the school. Like a loaded chopper, I'm about to shoot it. I'm so fucking sick and tired of these rumors. I just dive inside a cutie with spooner. Take it back and take a look at yourself. Take the lesson, put it all in the air. Too many days gone by. See my phone wait until I reply. Dry my eyes, believe it or not. I can never see a tear falling. Water dripping on me like a faucet. I just took a bitch to eat at Chipotle. Spend another $60 on the road. All my diamonds got your brain washed. See, some of my niggas got my brain washed. And for that shit, you got your man pop. See what they did to Biggie and Pop. Pour a little liquor out. Pour a little more liquor out. Pour it out, pour it out, pour it out. Codeine crazy, codeine crazy, codeine crazy, codeine crazy, codeine crazy, codeine crazy. All this motherfucking money got me codeine crazy. Drowning in active suicide. When I hit the scene, it's homicide. Diamond pick a ring, a lollipop. Fuck the hate, I pull up in the drop. Diamonds colder than the glacier. Falling harder than the Pacers. I've been trying to have some patience. Told my mama she should pray on it. Told the streets they gotta wait on it. She gon' put a nigga name on it. I just dropped the whole thing on it. I'm making USDs overseas. And US dollars that she can't achieve. But my white girl, she say, nigga, please. For that white girl, she say, nigga, please. Playing poker, now we're back to stroke. I forgot her name, but her pussy soaked. When I seen her on the pole. Reminded myself when I used to come up. Reminded myself when I used to get loaded. Reminded myself that I'm still getting loaded. The coupe fully loaded. This foot fully loaded. This foot fully loaded. The clip fully loaded. I try to control it. It's poppers and bottles. It's poppers and bottles. These niggas who bogus. It's pouring for pain. I'ma fuck around, faint like I'm kid cutting probably. I fuck around, faint. I'ma fall on a drink. Rocket tongue for it, popping mileage. Married to this motherfucking money. Codeine crazy, codeine crazy, codeine crazy, codeine crazy, codeine crazy, codeine crazy. All this motherfucking money got me codeine crazy. Thought I forgot about us. I know that you know I don't fold under pressure. I'm back on the road, I get low on the pedal. We live by the codes of the ghetto. I'm closing this out with my memo. I'm treating this shit like a demo. I'm putting my heart and my soul in this shit and some more. I'm in that Dolce Cabana. I might get out the Madonna. I get it crack in the summer. Strapped in the